got the helicopter. Crap, I've lost it. Yep. Alright, that is a... No, I don't know, that was like a... I don't know what kind of helicopter that was. For me, I thought it was a tractor or something that just gone over. Alright, so I'll show you. Right, there it is. Time is 18:35 p.m. 2nd of April 2023. Let's see, Flight Radar 24 has that on the radar site. Right, I have to go on the computer screen. That's the problem with the mobile phone internet. Right, let's get Flight Radar or not. I don't think that helicopter's going to be in any radar sites, but I'll try and see if they found any radars got the helicopter. Right, so the computer screen's loaded up. Oh no, I don't want to click on that. Actually, I'll do ADXB Exchange first if it's not on any radar sites. Right, so we'll do ADSB Exchange first. Like I said, I can actually sell it. I don't think it's going to be on any radar sites. Let's have a look. Because I filmed it from, well, let me find my location, so could be possibly flew from over there, but nope. So yep. So ADSB doesn't have that one. Do Flight Radar 24. Actually, I might have to stop recording to when I'm checking in radars. So ADXB Exchange did not have that on the. Does not have it. Do Flight Radar 24. Could be like a private. Could be like a. It looks like someone built a helicopter or something. I usually seen these helicopters before. Back in the old times, but I don't usually see that a type of helicopter before. Right, Flight Radar 24. No, but I usually see that. I don't know where it took off from, but I don't know. Sorry, there's an Aer Lingus, by the way. Sorry, there's the Aer Lingus. Take off and double nip up. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.